In front of me is TCL Plex, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode. Begin by going into settings and hitting apps. Then tap on default apps. Select home app and click on simple launcher. Then wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, easy mode is on. To go back to the standard one, select settings, go into exactly the same section of default apps and tap on launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!